what's the last stuff?
Brandy for Mommy and Poppy.
Oh, yeah! Rocket!
What? Rocket!
Oh.
No, she didn't say the other word.
I'm playing this right now.
Well, no, you got more presents.
playing this
Look,
right
it's your
now.
favorite color, too. Look here, you got some more.
Hold on, Shannon, hold on.
I'll stick it out there.
I won't be running out of perfume anytime soon.
You slide it back. Flat. Put the batteries in. Maybe you'll stay off the mine.
I doubt that.
Here, there's another one.
You ain't getting no money either.
Lisa, Shannon, and David.
You're
I ain't getting on yours
you,
either.
you ain't getting on hers neither.
All right, then.
She ain't either.
To Brandy for Avalanche. I know that's going to be a mistake.